The Oracle's Secret, an epic Greek mythology adventure for kids. Once upon a time in ancient Greece, in a village nestled by the sea, there lived a young girl named Phoebe. Phoebe was known for her keen intellect and her love for uncovering secrets. She spent her days exploring ancient ruins and learning the stories of the gods. One day, while exploring a hidden cave near the Temple of Apollo, Phoebe stumbled upon an ancient scroll. As she touched the scroll, it began to glow softly, and a melodious voice filled the air. "Greetings, Phoebe," the voice said. "I am Pythia, the Oracle of Delphi. This scroll holds the secrets of the future, but its magic has faded. Will you help restore its power?" Filled with excitement and determination, Phoebe nodded eagerly. "Yes, Pythia. What must I do?" Pythia appeared as a radiant figure with hair that flowed like golden silk and eyes that sparkled like the morning sun. To restore the scroll's magic, you must find 3 enchanted items: the crystal of clarity, the ink of truth, and the quill of prophecy. Each item represents a different aspect of the scroll's power. With a nod of understanding, Phoebe set off on her quest. Her first destination was the Crystal Cavern, a hidden cave filled with sparkling crystals. Deep within the cavern, she found the crystal of clarity, a brilliant gem that glowed with a pure, clear light. She carefully placed it in her bag and continued her journey. Next, Phoebe ventured to the River of Reflection, a serene river that flowed with water as clear as glass. At the water's edge, she discovered the ink of truth, a vial of shimmering liquid that glowed with the light of honesty. She added it to her bag and made her way to her final destination. For her last task, Phoebe traveled to the summit of Foresight, a towering peak where the air was thick with the whispers of prophecy. At the summit, she found the quill of prophecy, a radiant feather that pulsed with a warm, golden light. She gently picked the quill and returned to the hidden cave. Upon her return, Pythia greeted her with a look of pride. "You have done well, Phoebe. Place the enchanted items around the scroll, and its magic will be restored." Phoebe carefully arranged the crystal of clarity, the ink of truth, and the quill of prophecy around the ancient scroll. As she did, the scroll began to glow brightly, and the cave was filled with a warm, radiant light. The air hummed with energy, and the magic of the scroll was restored. "Thank you, Phoebe," Pythia said, her voice filled with gratitude. "You have restored the power of the ancient scroll. Its magic will now reveal the secrets of the future to those who seek it." Phoebe felt a warm glow of pride and happiness. Pythia gifted her a small, golden pendant shaped like a scroll as a token of gratitude and a reminder of her adventure. When Phoebe returned to her village, she was celebrated for her wisdom and bravery. She often used the ancient scroll to help her people and uncover hidden truths. Her story was told for generations, inspiring others to believe in the power of knowledge and the magic of a pure heart. And so, the Oracle's Secret became a beloved legend, a testament to the courage and determination of a young girl who restored the magic of the Greek gods. The end.